oh my gosh, a recession is coming, or some say it's already here. What does that mean for your small business? Should you be worried? In this video, we're going to cover 3 things you could do to recession-proof your business starting now. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Khierstyn. I am an e-commerce strategist that helps you grow your e-commerce business online through actionable tips, strategies, and content that we release on a regular basis. So if you are someone who is building your own brand online, be sure to hit subscribe so that you don't miss a regular video that we put out. The very first thing I want to stress is that when we hear the word recession thrown around, it is something that indices a lot of fear, panic, and anxiety, maybe not just in yourself, but the world or the most affected areas. We think things such as, am I going to lose my business? Will my customers stop buying my products? Should I cut marketing budget? Should I hold my money close to me and stop spending money or stop going for opportunities because there's a downturn in the market right now? I want to first frame, because I think that you need to be in the right mindset before we get into the 3 tips that we're covering soon. So the recession is an opportunity, okay? Anytime that we as business owners have gone through bad months, we've had some of our top staff quit, or recessions happen, guess what? While these may seem like really bad things in the moment, in the end, we're better off for it. So where popular groupthink is right now is to be scared, to not buy any major investments, to stop spending money, to lay off your staff, to be prepared for the upcoming recession. And the real reason why this is happening is because we human beings are so terrified of things that are unknown. Our whole brain is designed to make sense of the situation in front of us. So mass panic happens both in yourself and in the market when recession hits, because recession means things aren't necessarily going great like they used to in the last 5 to 10 years, and the market is starting to correct itself. The really interesting thing about recession, the first time that I freaked out over it was in the beginning of the pandemic, because that was kind of like one market uncertainty of what was happening. And there was mass panic and stuff. And what was really interesting is a mentor of mine was saying how recessions actually are a way of almost culling the market every 5 to 10 years. We have gone through 4 recessions now in the last 22 years, from the dot-com boom to 2008, 2009, to early pandemic, to beginning of today, 2022, 2023. And what's really fascinating is, yes, on the surface, you see people losing jobs. On the surface, you see employers not hiring, you see consumer spend down. But how can I be talking about this as an opportunity? Because I want to look at one of the top investor in the world, Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is somebody who went against the market and got really rich from it. Warren had a really interesting way of looking at downturn markets like this and seeing them as really good opportunities. So where at the beginning of recessions, when mass panic would force people to sell lots of their stocks, maybe stop making large purchases, that would plummet the cost of certain stocks, and Warren saw that as a really golden opportunity to buy up stocks. So when the market was low, when prices were low, he would be able to buy up a bunch of things because that was his opportunity, and he would sit on that and wait for that decision to mass him profits in 3 to 5 years' time. So as entrepreneurs, we are forced into uncertainty in general. Our business success isn't guaranteed. Getting our products on time isn't guaranteed. Getting our next customer isn't guaranteed. So I think that we in general are really good at having that thick skin that allows us to see a recession or bad opportunity, or like bad things that happen to us or in business, as really solid opportunities. So the first really thing I want to leave you with today is, if you have been scared or anxious and you're not really sure what the next couple of years are going to look like, it's okay. Be open to uncertainty and start to reframe it for yourself as an opportunity. Okay, now that we've gotten that out of the way, let's actually get into the practical points on how you can recession-proof your business starting today. Focus on your customer relationship and your online community. Having a brand online means that you have a really cool connection with your customers. You have customers that prefer to buy your product over other similar competing products. And the way to keep your customers coming back long term is to ensure that you are taking care of them. So taking this as an opportunity to improve your customer service, look to, if you haven't started building your community yet for your customers, maybe like a VIP group for your customers to be able to get to know them a little bit, which has its own benefits for understanding what kind of products to roll out, have them vote on certain things and initiatives that are happening with your company, which is pretty cool. The more you can start to focus on building a connected relationship with your customers, the better you are going to be about making sure that they don't jump ship and start to work with somebody else, start to buy someone else's products. So focusing on customer retention right now and customer service is now more than ever going to be a big differentiating factor. Because if you are selling a product, likely you are selling something at a premium price, because it's a custom brand or custom solution that you've brought to market. And in order for people to stay with you, you want to make sure that you make them feel at home. So definitely double down on your customer service and make sure that your customers know that you care about them. Keep them coming back through things such as helpful content in your community and also win back offers. So if you haven't or you don't have this in place yet, be sure to offer any customers upsell or to subscribe or some attractive offer that gets them to come back and buy something else, okay? Because right now, where it may be, if you're finding it difficult to find new customers, focusing on the ones you have and really, really nurturing them are going to have massive benefits to build campaigns that get them to refer friends, build a stronger community, and have them prefer your brand through better customer service and really focusing on that relationship. Point number 3, don't stop marketing your business. Don't stop spending money on marketing your business. If you want to reallocate spend to make sure that you're generating the same level of interest and same level of leads and customers, definitely do that. But according to the Harvard Business Review, most business owners will reduce marketing spend and reduce marketing activities out of fear that they won't be able to get the ROI back during the recession. And what's super interesting is that the study by Harvard Business Review actually found out that businesses that cut their marketing spend were actually worse off after recessions than businesses that focused now to actually increase their marketing efforts. So you absolutely do not want to fall victim to fear-based groupthink and think, ooh, maybe I should hold my cards close to me, because it's now more than ever, if most businesses are shutting down marketing spend, guess what? It's a great opportunity for you to come in and actually have less competition and steal more of the market. So where everyone is going in one direction, go the opposite direction. So in summary, to recession-proof your business, it is all about thinking differently than what most people are and actually doubling down on your efforts and seeing what we have in front of us, although it's unsure and unknown territory, to actually use this to double down and improve your systems, improve your marketing, and use it to come out the other side much stronger. So apart from that, if you love this video, be sure to give it a like, and I will see you next time. Oh, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, talk soon. Cheers.